Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can buy your Kick Game gift card. Keep watching the video till the end. To buy your Kick Game gift card, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in shop.kick.com and make a search. The official page of Kick Game will appear on the screen. Scroll down and choose Kick Shop gift card. Select your denominations, quality and tap on Buy with ShopPay. Now all you need to do is select your payment method, enter your card details, billing address and tap on Pay Now. Pay for your gift card and that's how you will be able to buy Kick Game gift card quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.